Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic screen rotation on this tablet. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for lock orientation icon, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, after that, auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by tapping on the same shortcut. If you wish to, you can always go into settings instead and tap on display section. Now scroll down and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen to switch it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!